Hello everyone! Today's recipe is banana muffins with streusel crumb topping. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Don't forget to subscribe! Let's begin! In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then, add 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter melted, 1 whole egg, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir well to combine. Add 1 cup mashed banana. Stir until just combined. Line jumbo muffin pan with muffin liners. Transfer and divide mixture to the prepared pan. Now let's prepare the crumb topping. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Add 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Then cut in with forks or pastry cutter. Then sprinkle the streusel on top of the batter. I added some walnuts. You can also use pecans or peanuts if you like. Bake in a preheated oven 350 F 176C for 25 to 30 minutes. Or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool for about 5 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack. You can also divide the cake batter into standard cupcake liners. Then bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. This banana muffin is very soft and moist with light and buttery cinnamon crumb. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know in the comments. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.